to my YouTube channel. It is your beautiful girl Jody. So guys, guess what? My birthday is in 48 hours and your girl is going on her birthday trip. I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going if you guys don't guess it. So if you guess correct, please let me know in the comment section where you think your girl is gonna go for her birthday trip. I got my hair done yesterday. I don't know nothing about hair, so that's why I have these pins in. My hair look nice, and if you want to get slayed, let me know so I could tag my my hairdresser in my YouTube video. Let me know. Also guys, today I'm gonna take you on the journey with me, the little, I'm gonna do a little errands here and there. I'm gonna get my nails done, my toenails done, and grab a little knick-knack that I'm gonna take in my luggage. So let's go. Are you excited with the birthday girl? I am excited. I hope you are. And I do apologize for not coming on and posting any videos. I've been working super hard, and I've been doing some overtime to get, a little money to pay your little bills here and there and have some money saved up, because your girl is a workaholic. So I do apologize if I'm not posting as how I used to post. And guys, life, when life hits you, you gotta, man up, and you gotta make sure everything is in order. So if you're ready to go with the birthday girl in a few hours, let's go guys. Alrighty, your girl is getting pampered, well dolled up, and I know your girl gonna look super nice when she's finished. So I'm just showing you guys here that I'm getting my feet massaged. They're cleaned up and ready to go. My nails are done, but I'm gonna show you soon. On my way to the airport, this is roughly around 3-4 o'clock in the early morning. I was super nervous, hungry, and wanted to sleep so bad. I don't like to eat when I'm going on the plane. And this is your girl. I've made it to the airport and I'm excited. OMG, but nervous on another note. Yes. So I already checked in my suitcase. They are on the plane. I think I paid $130 for my luggage because guess what, guys? My luggage was overweight. So guess what I had to do now? Was to run to the public bathroom and get me some bags, but I'll show you soon. Your girl going on the plane now, and there was a long line because guess what? I ended up in group, I think number 5 or number 7. Yes, but I ended up sitting down now, and I got window seat. I don't really like to look outside. I probably just put my phone there and record, but I don't like to look outside because I am scared of height. I don't like to fly. So yes. So now the plane is moving out of where it has been parked up, and yes. So we're gonna take off in a few minutes, and yes, I was nervous here. My feet, they were shaking, and yeah. Here it is, guys. I'm in the air. OMG, above the clouds. You ever hear someone told you they on cloud 9? Well, look, I'm above cloud 9 right now. So guys, if you could tell me in the comments where you think I'm going before you reach to the middle of the video, let me know in the comment section. And yes, it is so beautiful up here. OMG, peaceful. The plane was quiet, no noise. It was a smooth trip. I enjoyed flying with American Airlines. You guys did exceptionally well, and I must say, I must recommend American Airlines to each and every one of you guys who are watching. So here it is now. I made it to Charlotte. I've never been to Charlotte before. This is my first time to Charlotte, and I must say Charlotte seems very nice. And look at my socks. I will just show you guys what was written on my socks. So your girl has been walking along for a long time, struggling with my bags in my hand, but when I sit down, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been traveling with from the airport that I'm coming from, where I live in my city, to Charlotte. And there it is, Charlotte. So I've never been to Charlotte, so they have this airport looking oh so dolled down and looking nice. I must say it was inside it was very beautiful. And they have a lot of restaurants, a lot of fast food place. They have stuff you could buy to bring on the plane if you want to put something on your neck. They have neck braces. They have your little necessities that you want to take on the plane with you, or stuff like that. And there it is. See, they have stuff on sale. There's a neck brace and stuff like that, and so forth. So I took my little nosy ass self and I went to look into this store, see if I find something. But guess what? It's a man store. So I was just looking around, burning some time, because my plane where I'm going, it's like what, on a connected flight, it's a long trip. So I had been sitting down in Charlotte for like 5 hours. It was a long wait, and I was bored, I was restless, and I was miserable, because who want to sit down for 5 hours not doing anything? And yes, so I was kind of sleepy, tired, hungry, and so forth. So everyone passing me by, because your girl got to vlog, so I ended up just taking my little time, and voila, look what I've been traveling with from my airport to Charlotte, because my suitcase, they were overweight. And guys, I must say, if your suitcase is overweight and you don't have anything to put your stuff in, use the bags, okay? Use it. And your girl got some coffee here drinking. I like hot tea in my system, so yes, I drank me some coffee. And also, coffee helps in the early morning, even though I was tired. But, if you're in the air and you want, like, who gonna get sleep on the plane? Not me, I'm scared. And I got me some Burger King right here. Just little knickknacks to munch. And I didn't really eat everything off, because I don't like to fly and my stomach is full. If you're scared of height, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, yes, you can see my eyes. I was super tired, drained, and just want to be laying down. And there it is. I got me a bacon, no, I got a sausage, egg and cheese, and I got me some hash browns. And I must say, y'all, this was banging. It was hitting. And look, it's empty. I'm just there sitting down like, where is my plane? I was super tired, but hey, I'm excited about my birthday trip, so enough of that. And look at your girl. I was going in, y'all. I was hungry. This breakfast sandwich was hitting. Look at it. If you guys ever ate this breakfast sandwich from Burger King, comment and let me know in the comment section and tell me if you enjoyed it, because I did. And voila, I got connected on my flight. I'm excited but wanted to sleep. And I'm just there looking around, being tired, and just burning time, showing you guys the journey from my arriving point to my destination. So yes, guys. So let me know again in the comment section which island or which country or which town or wherever you think your girl is going to go. And don't cheat, guys. Do not cheat. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. If you guys traveled before and went to like a country area or an island or wherever it is and it looks like this, you probably know exactly where I'm going. Again, do not cheat. If you cheat, your conscience is gonna ride you. Okay, so don't cheat. Just let me know. It's fun to see where you guys think I'm headed to, but leave it at that. And the plane is taking its time, flying and all of that, and I'm just enjoying the view, even though I'm scared. But I'll just do it for you guys, because I know I want to take you guys on the tour with me, and I want to make sure everything that I'm doing, you guys are included as well. And look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at the fresh water. Beautiful. And guys, if you don't know a lot of you guys are on my YouTube channel from here, and if you guys don't know here, you guys lose. All right, so your girl is coming off the plane. Look, and you have to have that paper in your hand, because you're gonna pass through immigration and you're gonna pass through custom, where they're going to ask you for that piece of paper. And I'm telling the flight attendant and the pilot, have a good day and thank you for landing safely, because your girl is grateful, and God is good all the time. God is good. And voila, look where I'm at. Your girl just touched down on the plane. Look at our national hero. So right here we have Nanny of the Maroon, we have Sam Sharp. Jamaica, stay healthy, stay safe, wear a mask. So right now the mask is, you have to wear it. If you want to wear it, it's up to you. Okay, so these are all national heroes on the wall. We have Norman Manley International Airport. It's in Kingston. I came through Sangsters International Airport, and it is located in Montego Bay. So here now we are going up the escalator, and I think this is everyone who came off of the airplane that I came off from, because that's the only gate I had saw that was open. Now I'm going up the escalator where we are all going to go through immigration and custom, where we're going to show them that piece of white paper. Please make sure you fill that white paper out before you head up to the immigration booth, because you're going to show them, and that's where they're going to probably stamp it and make sure they put a signature on it. That is important. Okay, so take that from me, it is important. So this is how it looks outside of the airport, where they have cars parked up. They have the bus, taxi if you want a taxi, and so forth. So I'm on my way to my hotel here, where my taxi driver is taking me. It's probably as I said, 5 to 7 minutes drive, and stuff like that. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride with me. Okay, let's go. So on my journey, I had to pull over the driver, and I had to buy me a bag of these Jamaican apple. In Jamaica, we call these apple here Ethiopia apple. I enjoyed it, and I have made it to my hotel, where they welcomed me with a glass of champagne. Your birthday girl, they gotta treat me right. Okay, I'm on vacation, a little mini vacation, and also it's my birthday. So here I'm walking, trying to find my room number. Guys, to tell you the honest truth, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm trying to find my room, but I'm seeing odd number and I'm seeing even number. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm gonna find my room. My suitcase, they're downstairs, and the lobby guy, he's gonna come up with my suitcase, because I'm not gonna struggle up them stairs with those. So finally I've made it to my hotel room, and look at it. It smells so good, guys. Look at my bathroom, living in style. What? My bathroom is everything. I've never, look at your girl. Hey. No one is excited and happy like how I am right now. I've never had a vacation like this before, where I take time out, find some peace, take a little time, to get that fresh air. I work super hard. I work 10 hours a day in a cooler. You get what I'm saying? It's 30 degrees inside that cooler. So why not take time out and go enjoy life while it lasts? And look how they fill up my fridge with Red Stripe, my favorite sodas. Guys, when it says and water, don't forget that. And my little coffee table, and my rum, I have a little, we call it up at top. my little what call it, guys? Tell me in the comment section. And some suitcase them the hey. She like the way you move. You like the way you rock. Hey. Full of vibes. Anyone will go and look upon all of that right there. So guys, it's embarrassing walking with garbage bag from America to Jamaica. Everybody was just looking at me like she can't afford a suitcase. But guess what? I don't really care because I know that I have suitcase under the plane. It's going to meet me in my destination. And as I'm finished editing this video or recording this video, I'm going to eat my apples, okay? Inside my hotel room is everything, guys. I must say, the bed is well made. The refreshment in my fridge and my little liquor, my little bar and everything. And look over there, so my rum punch. I also got me a rum punch. Who come to Jamaica and don't have some rum punch? This is outside. This is the view that I got. This is my little patio balcony, and yes, that's my view, looking at some coconut trees and stuff like that. So the view for the ocean, it is super expensive, and this what I paid for this hotel, including my package, it's a good deal, so I end up staying with that. So this is, they have here, if you want to go to the bar, everything is free. This hotel is all inclusive and it's called Rio Hotel Rio Reggae. Okay, so this is like a map if you want to go anywhere inside of the hotel. Okay, so it's 3 hotels. You have Rio Reggae, you have Rio Palace, and Rio Montego Bay. I put all my luggages away and I head downstairs to get me some food. Because now that I'm out of the plane, I'm gonna eat up everything, and I'm in my country where I eat everything. Look at that, guys. When I say it is all inclusive, it is all inclusive. Jerk chicken. They have, I think they have what is it called? Sausage, and look, rice and peas, jerk chicken, and some jerk sauce, palmer rice. Cause me I go shell this down wicked. So if you eat Mexican food, vegetarian, and if you don't want to eat a lot of carbs and stuff like that, they have food to give you. It's like every section you have something that you eat. See right there, you're vegetarian, you go right here. And I'm Jamaican, so I go digging on everything right here. So, but me not feel for it no banana and that right now. So I'm just showing you everything, what it looks like in Rio Reggae. Food for days, and you must say nobody now go stand up and look at you when you take the food. Take what you want. It is all inclusive. Get your money worth. Okay, nobody not gonna look at you and say, dang, she's greedy. No, take what you want, put on your plate, and go grab a seat, sit down, eat, and enjoy, because the food was good. All right. Look at that, guys. This is a lot of culinary work. I used to go to culinary class for all of this right here, where you carve out your fruits and vegetables into these things right here. This is like your cucumber. You cut it up in a way and stuff like that. As I said, if you eat fruits, vegetables, if you want to make a salad, you could go over here and make your salad. If you want to make like a sandwich, a cold sandwich also, you could use right here. So me gone over my Jamaican section where you see the plantain, the okra, and your stew pork. So this is what my plate boils down to. All right, so I have fried plantain, I have me 2 fritters, I have me here some jerk chicken, rice and peas with some curry goat gravy. Yes, and this is what the view in the night looks like. That's a bar right there, and that's the pool. That's yes, that's the pool right there and the bar. You will see it tomorrow when I vlog my official day 2 in Jamaica. It is beautiful. You have the pool and then you have the beach over there. It's dark, so I'm going to show you guys everything from start to finish and look at the coconut trees. cannot come to Jamaica and don't have a coconut. That's a must, okay? So I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm just showing you guys, from I landed up until what I ate, my room, what the view looks like in the night, and so forth. So if you want to see more of my my birthday trip, stay tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and give your girl a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.